rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Mishkatun Najar. I read in class 4. Today we are going to explore a beautiful and diverse religion called Islam. Islam is followed by million people around the world. Muslims believe in one God and they worship Allah. They believe that Allah is the creator of everything in the universe. The word Islam means submission to the will of God. The holy book of Islam is called the Quran. It is written in Arabic. Muslims pray 5 times a day facing the Holy Kaaba. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. Muslims celebrate 2 major holidays, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice. Muslims believe in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the final prophet and the founder of Islam. Islam teaches kindness, compassion and respect of all people. In conclusion, Islam is religion of peace, faith and community. It has rich culture, heritage, beautiful art and architecture, and a strong emphasis on living a good and righteous life. Assalamu alaikum.